Father Yah here. Father Yah here. Thought you were on my last video, huh? I thought so too. But now I'm on a new watch with my watchsmithing kit. Watch repair zippity doo-dah. Now let's see now. This is a ALOT watch. Let's see if it fits. Well, no, so it looks like I'm going to have to take some links off. Ooh, the chronometers work real well. So that's nice. Even though Google's review on it said that it was not so good of a watch compared to other brands. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and show you what it looks like when I have it in pieces. Showing you it in pieces now. As you can see, I dislocated the pin that was in between on the wristband. So now I am adjusting it to my size. Stay tuned for when it's my size. And now on the final link that needs to come off. And as you see, I knocked the pin all the way out. And so the pin comes off, and so does the link. And now it should fit me now. And of course, when you are resetting the band, you do the same process of putting it back in, and the watch is whole again. Now, let's see if I was right about the watch fitting me now all of a sudden. Yes, it does. Although I might want to take off one more link just to make it tighter. Stay tuned for that. When working on a watch, you have to end all phone calls and distractions. So that way you don't have no missing pieces ending up in strange places. All right, now let's see if it fits better. There we go, tighter. Now it's tighter. Look at that, don't even fall down the other way. Father Yah out. A ALOT watch.